the play's the thing. Or the musical, or the opera, or the improv.
That's right. This week's postcard is from the Ida Green Communications Center, soon to be the new home of the Sally and Jim Nation Theater and Learning Commons. The theater will have new lighting, a state-of-the-art audio-visual system, and new everything else, with new curtains, new paint, new flooring, and yes, new theater seats.
Goodbye to the burnt orange of the 70s.
We're also going to have a beautiful lobby and a new learning commons.
What exactly is a learning commons?
It's a teaching and learning space dedicated exclusively to students. It'll have classrooms, an exhibit gallery, conference rooms, small group collaboration spaces, individual study spaces, and lounge areas.
You can probably tell it's already a lot brighter.
Even the outside of the building's getting a refresh.
Take a look at that before and after.
What a difference a power wash makes.
When will all of this be ready?
Work is on schedule, and we're hoping for completion in time for the start of the fall semester.
For now, know that we're thinking of you. Keep up the good work.
We know you've got this.
We'll see you when the curtain opens.